We have got to clean this mess someday. Just don't throw no stickers away. Doo-dah. Oh, doo-dah-day. Hey, welcome to Blue Bite Noise Channel on another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. I've been waiting on some lights. I didn't show them what all. Well, anyway, we gonna from Sling Mod. We got run that intro. From Sling Mods, we got some stuff here from Sling Mods. So yeah, I'm not putting that sticker up. Right now. Well, I got a cup holder for her. We'll put it on the distractor from the lights. So we'll see how long these Fender lights before she notices she got Fender turning signals. These are sequential lights, and put that pin somewhere. I won't lose it. Yep. So we got two. We got these lights that goes in the lights down here. I'll show you. They go here. That turns these reflectors into turn signals, and yeah, lights up at night or during the daytime too. So let's get started on those. You're gonna need a 13 millimeter and an 8 millimeter. You got 4 bolts here and 4 bolts back on the back. You need to take off, and then I'll show you the other one. Might take a break, get some agua. That's water for y'all non-Spanish speaking people. The 8 millimeter has a cap, little plate, little plastic plate that goes over this, like so, to protect the wire. And then you got plug to unplug right here. That's for your front running light here. So yeah. So now you need a heat gun or hair dryer, whatever you got. We need to remove these two reflectors. So let me do that. That's just a sticker. Yep. And then that's a reflector. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove both deals. Alright, your next step, you need to clean up all the glue junk. So hopefully they can do that with this. Probably not. Probably going to go get some alcohol. They give you primer and some other stuff. Yeah, I'm going to go get some more alcohol. Next step, Bohannon says. What you doing, Bohannon? It says hydrate. Alright. Now let's open the packages up. Missed. And he's got, alright. So you got a right and a left. Does it matter? Yes, it matters, and don't say on here. So this is the right side, or this is the right fender. Yep. right hand. It says RH on it. So I guess I need to keep the right one on the right side, like so. And you need to have some masking tape. You take the masking tape, you put it down on this, about here, you know, like so. Well, you can't. See, you need 5/30 seconds. This is very, yeah. Don't say 5/30 seconds. 3/8 is what a drill bit I'm using. What's my drill bit? Oh, there it is. So you need to get the right one again. Because they mark right and left. No, they ain't. But you got a little dimple right here. You need to drill your hole. To put your wires through. You kind of get it lined up where you want it, and it don't fill up the line all the way. But go like that maybe. I don't know. So that looks good, and you mark. You need a pen, a marker or something. And kind of mark where you want your hole. And then you drill. It's the fun part. You're drilling in a plastic. Don't want to be too forceful. So, kind of center it and you drill and pray. Alright, there you go. So now you can pull off your sticker. Well, you got to drill another hole. You got to mark the back side where you want these to go. It goes here. I don't get these. These don't matter. All right. So holes up here. Masking tape. I just dropped. So I like to do it off of War Warrior, Mad Max War Warrior, don't I? You can see the indentment. You can't. You can't. I can. Mark the thing. Need the marker. Marker. Mark. Marky mark. And you get that lined up. Kind of where you want your holes to be. And that looks about right. And you drill again. Right in that. Not the easiest stuff to drill. The light that goes with this one. This one. Oh, that goes that one. Drinking some aqua and hydrate. Don't take alcohol on the dry. Remove your light protective film. Probably shouldn't do that. Kind of give your old 3M quick rub down. That activates the glue, what I've heard. Alright. Gently peel it off if you can. It's not an easy peel. Add some fingernails. Come on. Like so. Get your little wire that goes through that hole. And then you kind of line it up where you want it. I want it to be good and flush. Give it a couple of squeezes. Looks good to me. And there it is. There's that one. And the bottom, we'll see if this sticks longer by priming it. don't know. Woo, this stinks. I'm gonna be higher than a kite out here. So you pull that off. Oh, activate it. God, I'm getting ahead of myself. Then pull it off. I was in a hurry. Let's hope the primer does something. I can't get the glue off of here. So let's get you plug going through the hole. Of course it's right in the, maybe I should have did it at the bottom. No, the light's at the top. If I did it at the bottom, it'd be backwards. Maybe I was supposed to do, because this would be backwards and this would be right. Maybe I just screwed up.
What is it? A bracket behind here that I need to grab. It really matters. Too late now. And get it lined up where you want it. There's a line there where it sets in there. It don't really set down in there flush like the other one, because the other one was just a sticker. This is a light. Well, there you have it. Now you can plug everything back up. You got the plug here, and you got a plug here, and you got a plug for that light.
Right there. So let me do something right quick. Put my cap up. I don't know if you can see. Oh, Hendon's back. So there's your back plug, and you're gonna run it up through here, and then there's your plug to plug in the side light. Side light. That's the plug to plug in the back. Is your Y. Then plug in there. You plug them in together. Plug this into the front light. That gives you all your blinkers. So then you get the art of tucking all these wire, because you got a big long wire back there. You gotta runs up through here. So let me zip tie all this. I don't see you no zip tie. We getting it. Gotta stay hydrated. Hey y'all, I got it done. It's working. You wanna see? And yeah, they make these I got, they gave it extra these, and look how the wire's so small, and maybe my big fingers, and you know I only had that much room on the red one, and maybe I pulled it off, or maybe it did, I don't know. Anyway, and then one of the pins on the main plug that plugs into the wiring harness on the bike, it bent. I figured that out. Been a hard day. Hard day. Well, when you, yeah. Anyway, look and see what, here's it is blinking. Or this is on. On the side. Yep. And then it goes back to the thing, and like I said, all that was a reflector, so now it's a light. He made it backy. I had to trim that thing. Whew. Like I said, it'd been a hot one. Maybe I should have took it outside, but yeah. So I hope you enjoyed it. That's how you do them sequential light bulbs from Sling Mod. I gotta put this on now. I don't know if I will this today or not. I don't know. Probably not. Because she's already seen them. I was hoping to surprise her and see how long it took her to notice those lit up. I'm tired. I'm going in the house, set on the air conditioner. So if you would. So I'm sticking everything. Check out that video there. And that one. And if you would, hit the subscribe button. You know, we'll get back on the S10, because we about got it whipped before it's going up and down. Yeah. Later.